Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's video, I just want to say thank you to everybody that has been rocking with the channel. You guys got us to 300 subscribers and that's just a great milestone. I can't thank you all enough. And let's get into today's video. As you can tell from the thumbnail, my latest pickup was the Nike Dunk High Pandas. And yes, while this may be the most oversaturated color blocking that's done on so many sneakers, at this point the Panda colorway might be played out, but nevertheless it's still a versatile colorway that could pretty much go with anything in your wardrobe. So we gotta still put some respect on the Panda colorway and still put some respect on the Panda Dunk. I feel like it's a good sneaker that pretty much goes with everything in your wardrobe and it's not doing too much, and I can appreciate that in a sneaker. Now my main reason for getting these sneakers was because I missed out on the Jordan 1 IOGs, the black and white ones, and these were pretty much sitting for under retail, and they do give off the same vibe as the Jordan 1 IOGs black and white. So I decided to give them a try. Now the major thing when it comes to dunks is the quality, the GR dunks at least. The quality is awful. But for me personally, when I do purchase GR dunks, it's more so for the colorway and not so much for the quality. This is just a basic black and white sneaker, and it pretty much can go with anything in your wardrobe, as I've said before. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I did throw these on with a couple of different pant options, so stay tuned for the on-feet portion. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I really truly appreciate the support. Until next week, happy Friday. Peace.